Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to share 10 run tools, or I would say 10 run commands, which will be very handy and very useful for you. I will explain all those 10 commands, how it can be useful in your daily usage of your computers. So the very first is just do a right click in the start icon, go to run, and the first one is CT tune. And I will hit enter. Now, what exactly it does, it makes your screen easier to read, and here you just need to make choices. So turn on the clear type. I will click on next, and it will set your resolution, and here you need to see which is better for you. So for me, this one is better. I'll click on next. For me, this one looks fine. I'll click on next. Again, this one is fine. I'll click on next. And if you find anything better here to read, you can select that and your system will be selected according to that. So we have finished the selection tuning the text in the monitor, and this was the first thing. Now the second is Charmap. Just press Window and R key together on a keyboard and type CHARMAP. And I will maximize it. So this is actually character map and the short is Charmap. So here I'll click on OK and you will find the character map here. So if you want to find a special character, you can select it from here. So sometimes when we are sending an email or writing any letter to anyone, we might need a new character which is not there in the keyboard. So you can search it from here and you can use it. The third one is MsInfo32. So I will type here MsInfo32. Now this will open up the system information, hardware, components, and software environment. So from here you can see which all version you have and what's the system model and what's the hardware. You can check the categories from here and you can get a lot of information about your computer hardware. All right. Now the fourth one is type WinVer. Now this is for the version check. I'll type WINVER. I will hit enter and you will get to know about the version of Windows. I can see I have 23H2 OS build and you can also do that. Now the next one also very handy. I'll show you what exactly it is. So I'll just press. Now the next one is power cfg.cpl. This is for power options and I'll hit enter. You can note it down somewhere and from here you can create a power plan or you can choose a power plan from here. All right. Now we will go to the next, which is appwiz.cpl. So I will type right here appwiz.cpl. Now this will open up to uninstall or change a programs and features. You can simply run this command on weekly or monthly basis just to check out which unnecessary applications are there and you can uninstall it. Now we will move to the next step, the next command, which is my favorite, and that is clean mgr. This is a system cleanup utility, disk cleanup utility. From here we can select all these unnecessary these junks. Since it's a clean computer, I don't have much, but in your computer you might have a lot of temporary files, junk, and cache in your computer. So this is also a very handy command. And the next one is to open the network adapter, which is ncpa.cpl, and hit enter. Now this command is basically used to enable and disable the Wi-Fi adapter or the network adapter, the Ethernet adapter. Sometimes internet doesn't work and we can do this step to fix it's a quick fix of a computer. So sometime it works. Let's say if your internet is not working, I can simply do a right click and I can disable it and I can enable it. All right, so this command is also very handy. The next command is also very useful. You should know how to open another way to open the task manager, which is taskmgr, and it will open up the task manager for you. All right, and the 10th command is also very handy, very useful, which is services.msc, and hit enter. Now this will open up the services menu, and here you will find all the services running. Sometimes you want to enable or disable any service, you can do that from here. And I will tell you one more command, run command, a bonus command, which is MsConfig. That is also a very powerful and very important, useful command, MsConfig, and this will open up the system configuration. From here you can see the startup items and you can see the services running. Basically now you don't have to do anything from here. You can simply see which all services are running and which all not. So in Windows 11 the startup apps have been transferred to task manager, so from here you can check that as well, from Windows 10 as well. All right, so these are the 11 run commands which is very useful in day-to-day life. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.